Kublai pi baro kini kilongi kubor bam takasngi. Ka Sorkar jalan ni kasni ba ar klas shim ye karai bantung ye ka search committee ka banwad ikiru Shemphang ye bandon ha ka expert committee ka banshong Bishar ye ka reservation policy ka jilla. Kani karai kalami ina ka jingyalang jong ka kinhun menteri ka belayatai halor kapang bantung ye kirkhot jong ka expert committee ki banshong Bishar thamai ye ka jingtrei kam ka state reservation policy ka jilla. Kakin hun menteri kala ai jung menjur ya search committee but on clear ya ka chief secretary ka jilla ringkat but arngut ki he officer na katnat law but personal Pentip Menteri Rangba ka jilla konrat ki sangma habaya kren bakilat pathai khubor hadin ka jungelang Menteri Rangba Pentip ru ba ka Sorkar jilla kan sapinmi no ru ya ka office memorandum OM but mai habaya day but ka jing pentrai kam ya ka reservation roster shisien bala penmi ya ka ne ka OM on sapanya no shakman ya ka jing thungkam Thungjam hapo ka jilla ong ukonran.
The state government has also, as per the notification that was put up an expert committee for the review of reservation policy. The government has decided that a chief secretary and one member from the law department and one member from the personnel department, a 3-member committee has been put up as a search committee to look for experts who will be able to then be part of this expert committee. It was recommended that this committee should be a 5-member committee and should have experts from different fields, as was mentioned in the notification.
So with this decision, it seems the government is going ahead with the
yes, because recruitments cannot stop. I mean, if we put a stop to recruitment, then many of our youngsters who are meant to get jobs and who are going to apply for them, who will get overage as the days go by, will suffer. And hence, in the larger interest of ensuring that the youth get the jobs, while the review or the discussions of the committees will deliberate on the different aspects of reservation policy, the recruitments will continue. 2OM is going to be amended now to include certain aspects which will clarify. As I said, we will give the necessary details and the OM to all of you. It will be very technically complicated for me to explain all of the facts, but the recommendations that have been given by the all-party committee to us, we have included those recommendations to amend the OM.
So this recruitment will be with immediate effect, continuation of...
As soon as the OM comes out, start their work immediately, and hopefully they'll be able to get the names to the government at the earliest. So yeah, the search committee will look into that. I'm sorry?
About it will be prospective or retrospective?
No, as I said, and I've maintained from day one, that the roster is a continuous process. And the continuity, obviously it starts with 72, but the continuity is there. And we have been maintaining that in the past many years, the different positions that have been there have been filled up by certain communities in some cases and by different communities in certain cases. And hence, whatever the case may be, those positions were filled up. But the roster plotting is required to allow us to know where we are in the roster today. And hence the data that's going to be plotted is going to allow us then to know from which particular serial number do we start now. And that is the main purpose. And hence the advertisements will take place from that serial number. And that is the purpose of plotting the numbers from 1972. And